Alright, so we're going to make a follow-up video since I got so much abuse on my prior video with the Gator Blades. While I have thick skin, I think some of you guys didn't really read into the whole story of what I was trying to do, and again, I was kind of new at videos at that point. So right now it is fall time again. The next year, what you guys didn't pick up on last time is that I was doing my last mow of the year in the fall time, so the grass looked like shit. I got the Gator Blades because I wanted to try and pick up the leaves. So I got tons of abuse on you can't do this, you can't do that, you have a small yard, why do you use a riding mower, you're an idiot, why do you work on stuff without gloves, whatever random shit you guys can come up with. So what I want to tell you guys is yes, you can use Gator Blades with a mulching plug. I have since switched my setup from the Gator Blades with a side discharge. Then I went to mulching plug setup with mulching blades. I didn't like how that worked, so I said, fuck it, let's try it out with the Gator Blades with the mulching plug. I already have all the stuff. Let's try it out and see if it works. The Gator Blades do work considerably better, in my opinion. I am not a professional landscaper by any means. I'm just a guy that wants a nice yard. So, in my personal opinion, whether you agree or not, the Gator Blades do a much better job with the mulching plug than the regular mulching blades did with the mulching plug. So I'm going to give you guys a quick run around of my yard. We're going to show you guys going through the leaves and how they perform going through the leaves. So for the guys that say I have a postage stamp yard or my yard is no bigger than 15 feet and why would I use a riding mower? So even this smallest part here that you guys said I had a tiny yard, that is about 40 feet right there, and I apologize for the wind. But again, for the guys that say that I have this tiny postage stamp yard, and why am I fucking lazy, and yada yada yada, as you guys can see, this is not a postage stamp yard by any means. This is a half-acre plot. So we'll do a quick once over, and you guys will see the major area. I've already cut up the leaves in this area 3 times in the last couple weeks, but I'm going to show you guys I have my kid trying to get some of the leaves in the pile, which just really isn't needed, but I wanted to give him something to do. So this tree right here, shit ton of leaves come off of that, so you can see how much leaves we're going to have to cut up here. So I'm going to basically cut right through this, and I'm going to disintegrate this stuff within a few seconds. So you see the tractor going on back there. We'll be back in a few. so as you guys can see, I chewed through that stuff pretty much with ease. Basically what you're left with is just this. It ground that stuff up pretty good. And the bigger piles that I had my son get up, this is the clumping that you get. But again, this stuff's going to break up and break down pretty quick and work its way back into the soil. So I'm sure one of you guys that's more of a man than me and has a much bigger and cooler man cord is probably going to tell me I just blew around the leaves, or I did something wrong, or it's going to kill my grass or whatever. I don't know what to do to please you guys, but this is my experience. So with the Gator Blades with the mulching plug for the Cub Cadet, this is what it did to all those leaves. So I don't know that you can really ask for much better for that from a completely bare tree. Again, I have a whole big tree line back here that blew up all these leaves, and as you can see, I got to go over it again, but as you can see, I killed pretty much all those leaves doing that same method. So for those that say can't do it, shouldn't do it, I'm a retard for doing it, whatever the case may be, fact is that it works. And if you guys want to make fun of my property or the way I do things, so be it. But you know, somebody must be liking it because I got like 25,000 hits on that video. So thanks for joining me back for another one. If you guys got suggestions, I'm willing to hear it within reason. Just don't be dicks about it. Have a nice day.